What should I do if my Samsung Smart TV is not allowing me to install APK files?
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a common issue faced by many Samsung Smart TV users, not being able to install APK files. If you've experienced this, then you're in the right place. Let's explore the possible solutions together.
Why can't I install APK files on my Samsung Smart TV?
Your Samsung Smart TV operates on Tizen OS, which is different from the Android OS that uses APK files. That being said, your Smart TV is not natively designed to install APK files. However, there are workarounds available. It's also essential to remember that tampering with the TV software may void the warranty or even render the device unusable if not done correctly.
What are the potential solutions?
1. Use official apps from the App Store. The safest and most hassle-free way is to use the official App Store provided on your Samsung Smart TV. This ensures that the apps are compatible and optimized for your TV's performance. 2. Sideloading with caution. If you still want to use an APK, consider sideloading apps using methods specifically meant for Tizen OS. Always ensure the APK source is trustworthy, as installing from unknown sources can be risky. 3. Use an Android TV box. Instead of trying to alter your TV software, you can connect an Android TV box, which will allow you to install and run APK files effortlessly. This way, you maintain the integrity of your TV system while enjoying Android's versatility.
How to ensure safety during the process?
1. Back up your TV's data. Before making any changes, always back up settings and data. This ensures that you can revert to the original state if something goes wrong. 2. Avoid unknown sources. Only download APK files from reputable sources to minimize the risk of malware. 3. Stay updated. Ensure your TV's software is updated. Manufacturers release updates to fix bugs and enhance security. Regularly checking for software updates can prevent many issues. In summary, while Samsung Smart TVs are not inherently designed to handle APK files, there are ways to enjoy your desired apps. Always prioritize your TV's safety and performance over experimenting. We hope this guide has been beneficial, and you now have a clearer understanding of APK installations on Samsung Smart TVs. Stay tuned for more tech tips.